Hey all, I received this digital microscope from the brand to give you an honest review. It also came with this boom arm, which is very flexible. It's 32 centimeters in length and it's fully adjustable and 360-degree rotation. I really like how it's very sturdy and you can move it wherever you need to in your workspace. It also comes with these knobs where you can adjust and also lock in place if you prefer moving the object versus the boom arm. I also liked how easy it was to install. It took me less than 5 minutes. You attach it to the table, and then you attach the arm, and then the digital microscope with the included rubber stoppers, and then you're good to go. The operation of this was very easy. As you can see, I turned it on and it is now displaying the 1976 commemorative quarter. It has a 3x digital zoom on this monitor, which is about 5 inches. So as you can see, I'm zooming in right now and look at the detail. It is very nice. Now, comes with, of course, the focus ring, and at the end of that ring, there are 8 LED lights just to give you a better view of the object that you're looking at. Another thing that I really like about this is very useful in many different use cases. For example, for soldering a motherboard, you're working on hardware or a computer. It's also really great for crafting. Perhaps you're into wood crafting or any other things that require very detailed precision. You can see here I'm using a tool on this particular motherboard, and you can see the zoom is very nice. I also like that you can record video and photo footage on this device. It saves to a 128 gigabyte SD card, which is not included, but it does support it. And then it also includes audio, as you can see. So the zoom function and video playback is very nice. You can play it back on the device itself, or you can attach it via USB-C and watch the video playback there instead, or record directly onto your laptop. So a lot of different options here. But my final thoughts, if you're really looking for a flexible, versatile, digital microscope like this, I think this might be the right fit for you. But thank you for watching and have a great one.